The Epson L3150 is an all-in-one inkjet printer that is designed for home and small office use. Epson L3150 printer driver downloads and install. Visit the official Epson website. Go to the Epson support website for your region. You can find the correct website by searching for Epson support or visiting and selecting your region. Select your printer model. On the Epson support website, navigate to the printers section and then find the L series subcategory. Select the Epson L3150 model. Choose your operating system. Under the Downloads section, you'll see a drop-down menu for operating system. Select Windows 11 from the list. Download the driver installer. Click on the Drivers and Utilities Combo Package Installer file. This file contains all the necessary drivers and utilities for your printer. Make sure to save the file to a convenient location on your computer. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, double-click the downloaded file. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Important: during the installation, you may be prompted to connect your printer to your computer. Make sure you have your printer powered on and connected either via USB cable or Wi-Fi network before proceeding. Verify the installation. Once the installation is finished, print a test page to confirm that your printer is working properly. You can also check your printer settings in Windows to ensure that the correct driver is selected.